Welcome back my new video. The 2025 Chevrolet Colorado continues its legacy as a mid-size pickup truck that delivers exceptional versatility, rugged performance, and modern technology. With a refreshed design, impressive off-road capability, and a range of trims to suit various lifestyles, the Colorado remains a top contender in its segment. Whether for work, play, or everyday driving, the Colorado offers a balance of practicality and comfort. Introduction. Chevrolet has built a reputation for crafting durable trucks, and the 2025 Colorado is no exception. Combining a bold exterior, powerful engine options, and advanced safety features, this truck is engineered to handle tough terrains and urban commutes alike. It caters to adventurers, tradespeople, and families who need a stylish vehicle. Exterior design. The 2025 Chevrolet Colorado boasts an assertive design with angular lines, a larger grille, and muscular fenders that give it a commanding road presence. LED headlights and taillights are standard across trims, enhancing visibility and style. Trim-specific features, higher trims, such as the ZR2, come with off-road enhancements like skid plates, tow hooks, and unique wheel designs. Customization. Buyers can choose from several cab and bed configurations, as well as vibrant color options, to suit their needs and tastes. Wheel options. Depending on the trim, wheel sizes range from 17 to 20 inches, with all-terrain tires available for off-road enthusiasts. Performance and capability. Under the hood, the 2025 Colorado offers a range of powertrains designed to meet various demands. Turbocharged 2.7-liter engine, standard across all trims, this engine delivers up to 310 horsepower and 430 lb-ft of torque in higher trims, providing robust towing and hauling capability. Transmission. An 8-speed automatic transmission ensures smooth shifts and optimal fuel efficiency. Towing and payload. With a maximum towing capacity of 7,700 pounds and a payload capacity exceeding 1,500 pounds, the Colorado is built for heavy-duty tasks. Off-road ready, the ZR2 trim takes off-roading to the next level with Multimatic DSSV dampers, locking front and rear differentials, and increased ground clearance. Interior comfort and technology. The 2025 Colorado offers a thoughtfully designed cabin that balances utility with modern comforts. Seating and materials. Durable cloth seating is standard, while higher trims feature premium leather and heated/ventilated seats. The spacious cabin accommodates up to 5 passengers with ample legroom. Infotainment system. A standard 11.3-inch touchscreen with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto ensures seamless connectivity. Optional features include navigation and a premium Bose sound system. Convenience. Multiple storage compartments, wireless charging, and USB ports make the interior practical and tech-friendly. Driver assistance technology. A 10.2-inch digital instrument cluster is available in higher trims, displaying crucial information like navigation, fuel economy, and performance metrics. Safety features. Chevrolet places a strong emphasis on safety in the 2025 Colorado, equipping it with a comprehensive suite of driver assistance technologies. Standard safety features: forward collision warning, automatic emergency braking, lane keeping assist, and pedestrian detection. Available add-ons: adaptive cruise control, blind spot monitoring, and a surround view camera for enhanced awareness. Crash test ratings. While official ratings are pending, Chevrolet's history of high safety scores in its truck lineup is a reassuring factor. Price and value. The 2025 Chevrolet Colorado offers competitive pricing for a mid-size truck, with trims catering to various budgets and needs. Base trim, WT starting at around $29,000, ideal for those seeking a workhorse. Mid-level, LT and Trail Boss starting at $36,000, these trims offer enhanced comfort and off-road capability. Top trim, ZR2 priced around $50,000, it includes premium features and serious off-road upgrades. Overall impression. The 2025 Chevrolet Colorado is a well-rounded truck that excels in performance, versatility, and modern amenities. Its combination of rugged capability and advanced technology makes it a strong competitor in the mid-size truck market. Whether you need a dependable work truck, an off-road adventurer, or a comfortable daily driver, the Colorado offers a solution for every lifestyle. For those seeking a truck that can do it all while looking good doing it, the 2025 Chevrolet Colorado is a standout choice.